We've been talking about the theory of Neo-Darwinism. We're starting a new series on what does it actually require for this to be possible. The first component for a new animal body plan is new functional proteins. Now, proteins aren't just the building blocks of muscles. Proteins are essential for many basic functions within life. A protein fold is made up of roughly 300 amino acids bonded and arranged just right, making a specific function possible. That's a protein fold. Now, what are the odds of generating a new functional protein fold? Not great. In fact, there's only one chance in 100 trillion of a protein fold being just right for a given function to be possible. That's crazy. In fact, the probability of getting a new functional protein fold out of all the non-functional possible protein folds is just 1 in 20 to the 300th power. In other words, what's that look like? That's a needle in a haystack. There's one functional protein fold in 20 to the 300th power non-functional protein folds. Put in perspective, there's only 10 to the 80th power elemental particles in the known universe. It's more likely to find a single marked elemental particle in the universe than to find a new functional protein fold out of all the possible non-functional protein folds. Now, does that look practically in life? Maybe if this happens all the time, experiment to getting new bonds, then hey, it could be possible, right? Well, molecular biologist Douglas Axe explained that if every organism to have ever lived, every elephant, every blue whale, every zooplankton, every bacteria to have ever lived attempted generating one new functional protein fold, attempted at reaching this by trying new bonds, new arrangements of amino acids, only 1/10 trillionth of sequences would have been tried. Now, seeing that there's only one functional protein fold in 20 to the 300th power non-functional protein folds, only having attempted 1/10 trillionth of possible sequences, there's no chance at generating new functional protein folds in the way that we need it for new body plans. That's just for one new functional protein fold. The truth is we need whole new systems of new functional protein folds for new functions within life. This can't happen, certainly not repeatedly, as must happen in the Neo-Darwinian story of life.